Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from the RIU Guanacaste in Costa Rica. And we just managed to check in this afternoon. There was a long lineup. There was actually a lineup to get into the resort, into the property. We came with a rental car, and it was a very slow-moving line, just one security guard managing the people coming in and people going out. So yeah, that was our first experience. Then we got to the lobby and it was packed. This is a massive all-inclusive resort, so I think this is going to be a busy weekend, but nevertheless we're looking to have a good time. And I'm just giving you guys a quick video showing you guys a quick tour of our room. So my first impression is everything seems to be pretty clean. Minor details right here. Gotta love it. Some hair. All right, so here's the mini bar. Right. So I think there's dark rum, white rum, vodka, and I don't know if that's gin or something. We'll see, but they're not premium liquors, that's for sure. Here's the fridge. So we got 2 cans of beer, a dirty fridge that was not wiped off, a can of Sprite, Fanta, Diet Coke, Coca-Cola, and I think that's sparkling water and water. And here's a king-size bed, a double bed, and they added another single bed, it looks like. It's a nice room, nice furniture. The TV is very different. It's very small, looks like a PC monitor almost. But I guess it works. Seating is nice, and here's the additional bed. And our balcony. With some extra seating. And here we have views of the RIU Palace, I believe. It's definitely a good sized room. You could say it's almost clean, except for the two things I just found right away. But yeah, I'm sure we'll have a good time. It's not a big deal. We'll figure it out. Don't forget to comment on the video. Let me know if you guys have stayed at the RIU Guanacaste or the RIU Palace Guanacaste before here in Costa Rica. This is our first time. So we are looking forward to it. It does feel like a massive resort. But yeah, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Travel Guru TV, and stay tuned for more travel related videos from all over the world. Peace.